Hello, today I'm going over the lab room molecules lab stations. You're going to go to this video and you're going to answer these questions. Please answer them thoroughly. You're going to read it. Here you're going to take notes. Remember, you're going to need these notes when you get to assess it. So make sure you're putting good notes down about each of these vocabulary words. Here, you're going to answer questions from what you just read. Please only put the letter, not the whole answer. Only the letter for the correct answer. Here, you're going to look at these models and you're going to make some observations. Make sure you pay attention to the bottom of the screen where it tells you what color represents what element. Then you're going to take the labels on the left and put them underneath the correct molecule. Make sure you're counting atoms so that you put the correct label. Here, you're going to make two models for SO4 and make sure you're paying attention to the correct colors and make sure you're putting the bonds in place. Here, you're going to answer some questions based on the model you just made. Make sure that you're answering these correctly. Research it. You're going to go onto this website. You're going to go to the Molecule Builder tab, and you're going to try to build 5 different molecules. And then you're going to answer questions 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you are paying attention as you're doing the dot structures and ionic compounds so you can answer these correctly. Here, under Organize It, you're going to be pulling the labels from the left underneath the correct molecules on the right. Make sure you're paying attention for coefficients because that will tell you if there's more than one of those molecules. Make sure you're counting atoms because as you can see, there are a lot of molecules made of just hydrogen and oxygen and several made of just carbon and hydrogen. If you're not paying attention, you will not get this correct. Illustrate it. So how you're going to do this is you are going to go to your shapes. You're going to take a circle. You're going to make a small circle. Don't make them very big because as you can see, you have to make 4 different molecules. You're going to add a color in. Make sure that color stays consistent. For instance, for hydrogen, you should have, for this water molecule, you should have 2 hydrogen atoms that are the same color. Then you're going to add a line. So then you'll just pull a line, and then you're going to add the rest of your atoms for your molecules. Do it this way. Please do not draw it and take pictures. Okay. So then here, what is a molecule? Thoroughly answer this question. Tell me what a molecule is. For this one, tell me about what you know about this chemical formula. Tell me how many atoms there are of each element. Tell me the elements. Tell me how many molecules this represents. Tell me the difference between a molecule and a compound. You might need to go back into your notes from last week and look at that Venn diagram. That would be very helpful for this question. For Assess It Part 1, make sure you only put the letter for the correct answer, not the entire correct answer, please. For Assess It, this is where your notes from your Read It section are really going to come in handy. You're going to put the correct term in for each of these and go back to the Read It section if you're not sure. Challenge it. You have to do one of these challenges. It is part of your assignment. So you could do flashcards. If you want to go into Quizlet, which I gave the link for, make your own flashcards for 10 of the vocabulary words, and then give me the link to that specific Quizlet right here on this slide. You can make a one-up poster of a molecule of your choice, and you can do it on a Google Doc. You could draw it out and take a picture. Whatever it is, attach it to the assignment. Do not try to put it here on this slide. Add it as an attachment when you turn this assignment in. You can write a quiz for this topic. So if you want to, you can do that. Make sure that you, again, attach it to your assignment. Finally, you can do a compare and contrast. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, have a great day.